Hey guys, it's Kelsey with Homemade Millennial. Welcome back. And today we're going to be making shepherd's pie, but instead of using a mashed potato topping, I'm going to be using cauliflower instead. My husband especially liked it, so it's going to go down on our list of dinners that we like to make. If you didn't check out my last video, I'll put a link somewhere up here for you to click on. Go check that out. We did a pantry challenge where all of our dinners just included ingredients that we already had on hand. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and give it a like if you enjoy it. But let's go ahead and get cooking. I chopped up a whole head of cauliflower and added that to a pot with water. I'm just waiting for that to boil, and I'm going to add in a cube of chicken bouillon just to add in a little bit of flavor to it. In a separate pan, I added a pound of ground turkey, and I'm just going to brown that up. I added 2 tablespoons of minced onion, but if you have fresh, add about 1/4 of a cup. I diced up 1 carrot, and I'm going to add that in, just let it soften. And then put a can of peas. And just going to mix that in. After about 10 minutes, go ahead and strain your cauliflower and add it back to the pot. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon of garlic, about 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and a sprinkling of salt. Potato masher and just mash all the ingredients up. The consistency is a little different. It's not as smooth as a potato. It's more rice-like, but it turned out really well, I think. Maybe just add a little bit less butter because I didn't know what to expect, but it still tasted delicious. Now we're going to make our sauce. So 2 cans of tomato sauce, garlic, onion, chili powder, salt, pepper, and just a little bit of sugar to neutralize the acidity. Then go ahead and add in your filling. And I'm just going to mix all of that up within the casserole dish. I'm going to smooth out that top. Then add in your cauliflower mash. And you're going to want to smooth out the top of that as well. Next, add on your shredded cheese, and here it is just however much you would like. I just like a light sprinkling before putting it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And here's your final product. Thank you guys for cooking with me today, and leave me a comment down below if you decide to make this and what you thought of it. I'd love to hear from you. Remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and until I see you guys next, bye.